Keeping your business rolling and your drivers on time is your top priority. Knowing exactly when to change the oil, rotate the tires, and inspect the engine on every truck in your fleet helps you catch issues before they lead to downtime. When you use enterprise fleet management software that connects to GPS on all your vehicles, you can keep track of every mile. As the miles increase, your system updates automatically and notifies you when it's time for the next oil change or tire rotation. Your team can also conduct mobile driver vehicle inspection reports or inspections with a simple pass or fail checklist. This robust data and streamlined collaboration helps you stay compliant and make informed maintenance decisions, like when to repair or replace your trucks. With iOFFICE and SpaceIQ's fleet management software, you can stay on top of inspections, optimize maintenance and inventory, and get the insights you need to move your business forward.